Oh, no, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy Airport.
Mama, Lola, my Lola said Lola is alone lang.
Yeah, that's why she needs to go home. Scarlett, where's Lola?
Makati.
What Lola Bess?
Makati.
Makati also?
Yeah.
Not Makati. Malay Balay.
Makati.
Lola Nena, Makati. Lola Bess, Malay Balay.
Makati.
Makati. Tebel, where's Lola Bebs?
Lola Bears is not in Makati.
In Malay Balay.
Yes, it's my Baba. Lola Nena is in Makati.
Why does Lola Bibs need to go home?
Because Lola has no family.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he has no mother, he has no sister, he has no
Ano
brother.
Habs? He has.
He has nothing in his home. That's why they're going home.
Luya Ina, Makati. Where's Yuya Bess? Makati.
With Sita.
Malay Balay.
Makati.
Not in Makati.
Why?
In Malay Balay. Only Lola Nena and Lolo Andy in Makati. Okay?
Daddy's Lola. Makati. Daddy's father is my daddy's father is Lola Andy and his mother is Lola Nena.
Very good. Good job. How about my mommy? What's the name of my mommy?
Lola Bibs.
What's the name of my daddy? Lolo Mutz.
Lola Mutz.
Very good.
Because he's alone lang. Poor lang siya.
Yeah, poor siya, no?
Mama, video ya.
I don't know.
Makati. What did he say?
Makati.
What did
Where's
he do?
Lola?
Makati.
Lola who?
Makati.
What's the name of your Lola?
Yo-yo.
What's the name of your Lola?
Makati.
Name of your Lola? Lola?
Yo.
What's the name?
Yoya.
Lola?
Yoya Nina.
Very good. Okay.